Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, how are you?
وعليكم السلام والرحمة.
Okay, so we wait 1 minute and then we will start our session. Okay, thank you. Okay, so hi and welcome to the 8 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so in this time you see here the sorry, we learn computation indices using satellite images, suppose NDVI or NDWI or EVI. Okay, by using Landsat or Sentinel dataset. Okay, so in this time you see here the NDVI. NDVI means normalized difference vegetation index. Already I mentioned in our first and second class. NDWI means normalized difference water index. NDBI means normalized difference build up index. Okay, in this time you see here the NDBI equation is NDVI equation, and NDWI equation is green band minus near infrared band divided by green band plus near infrared band. NDBI equation is, or formula is, short wave infrared band minus near infrared band divided by short wave infrared band plus near infrared band. Okay, so this is our equation of NDVI, NDWI and also NDBI. Okay, now you see here the different band combination of different satellite data set. If you want to use, suppose Landsat 8, suppose as for example you want to use Landsat 8. Okay, Landsat 8 for use the make your analysis with NDWI. Okay, for LF, that means Landsat 8. You see here the in Landsat 8, you see here the green band indicate the band 3 and near infrared band indicate the band 5 in Landsat 8 OLI dataset. Okay, and also if you want to use Landsat 5 dataset, you see here the band 2 indicate the green band and also band 4 indicate the near infrared band. Okay, this is the difference. So now you see here NDWI, if you want to use Sentinel 2 for NDWI, you see here the green band indicate the band 3 and also a higher band indicate the band 8 for Sentinel-2 multispectral instrument dataset. That's why when you if you want to use Landsat 8, you must be follow the band history or band um, list of this Landsat 8. Okay, and also if you want to use Landsat 5, you must be follow Landsat 5 band list. And also if you want to use Sentinel 2, you must be follow this Sentinel-2 band list. Okay, so this is the basic difference of every data set. When we want to use NDWI for Landsat 8, you see here the green band indicate the band 3 and also near infrared band indicate the band 5. And also if you want to use Landsat 5, you see here the green band indicate the band 2 and also green band 4 indicate the near infrared band. And also if you want to use Sentinel-2 data set, you see here the band 3 indicate the green band and band 8 indicate the 9 fat band. Okay, any question about this? Anyone can ask me, no problem. If you have any question, response please.
السلام عليكم. From where bring it? This equals.
Equals, that means this is our equation.
From where?
NDVI equation or formula. Okay, NDVI formula is near infrared band minus red band divided by near infrared band plus red band. NDWI equation is green band minus near
Yes, yes,
infrared band.
I understand. From
Sorry.
any location in intermediate, and I take this.
Also we learned it. Okay, so now we'll move to our new code editor and practically we learn it. Okay, so don't worry about this. So now I am open new code editor. Okay, so click on your map interactive view. Also you see other automatically show as your geometry, that means RY. Okay, and also if you want you can see all of the information of this study area, that means this study area point. Okay, you see here the land value, long value, all the things. Okay, and also if you want, suppose if you want, you can use any you take a draw a rectangle shape, and also if you want you can use, suppose we want to use this part as our study area. Okay, as your wish. If you want you can use anything. Okay, so don't worry about this. So now you see here the geometry collection, we delete one, suppose this rectangle shape or this marker tools. Okay, so as for example we use this rectangle shape as our study area. Okay, so now with this point we delete. Okay, so now you see here the this RY, that means this is our study area, region of interest. Okay, so now you see here that 4 vertices, and all of the vertices lat value and long value you can easily see here, lat value and long value. Okay, so now we this study area we use as for our region of interest. Okay, and now we suppose for example we search any data set from Google Earth in public data catalog. You see here the Landsat and also Sentinel. So for example, suppose we use here the Landsat. Okay, as for example, Landsat 1, we simply click, and also you see here the Landsat 8 and also Landsat 9, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, Landsat 4 dataset. Okay, so suppose randomly we select this update one Landsat 9, and also you see here the surface reflectance Landsat 9 dataset, top atmospheric reflectance dataset, and raw images dataset. So randomly we select this top atmospheric reflectance one, and also we import this Google Earth this snippet or this dataset, import in our code editor. Simply select this Google Earth engine snippet and paste in your code editor. And okay, we put here, and also we suppose we take a variable javascript var keyword, and also set the variable name is Landsat 9. Okay, if you want you can use any variable name, no problem. Landsat 9. Now we filter it. Okay, suppose we take a variable name is image. Okay, if you want you can use any variable name, no problem. Okay, and call our Landsat 9 images. Now we put here, and also we use here the filter bounds function. Suppose filter bounds function for attached intersect our study area geometry. What is our geometry variable name? Our geometry variable name is region of interest, RY. Okay, interest. Now we put here also, suppose you we use here the filter dot date function for our specific time frame. Okay, filter date, not this function, filter date function, sorry, filter date function, and we select here the start date and end date. Suppose this data set start time is year 2021 to present time. So now we use here the suppose year of 2022, 1st January. As for example, just to select, if you want you can use select any time frame. Okay, so don't worry. So suppose this 1 year. Okay, this 1 year we use here. Okay, so already we learned, also already we put here the filter bounds function for select our study area, only this selected part of our study area. And also we see the filter date function, and also now we use here the filter metadata function. Okay, filter metadata, filter metadata function, name, operator, and value. You see here the from this Landsat 9 data says information of the image properties. You see here the image properties band name is cloud cover. Also you see here the cloud cover land. So now we copy this cloud cover band name. The band name is cloud cover. Okay, cloud cover operator we select, suppose operator we select less than. Okay, less than, that means not less than. Okay, less than, and value we select as a 1. Okay, value select as a 1. And now if you want to check how many images are available in our study area. Okay, now we use the print function and call this all of the use the filter function and extract all of the filter function stored in the variable name is img image. So simply copy this image variable name and paste it. Also we put the size function for show as integer number value of this images. Now click to the run. So now you see here that this result in our console tab number is coming only 12 number of images available for our study area. Okay, so this is the one filtering function. Okay, all you easily you select the filter metadata and set the operator name of the image properties band, and also you see here the operator and also the value. Okay, this is the one way. And now we learn another way for any for uh, filtering. Suppose if you want, you can select only one good images. Okay, okay, so now suppose we select here, we use the sort function. Suppose instead of the filter metadata function, now we use here the dot filter sort function. Okay, sort function. Okay, what is sort function? Sort function is sorting. Okay, so you see here the from this sort function, simply copy and open in our docs tab. As a new learner, you must be follow this docs tab. Okay, sort element of the array along one axis. That means optional key is the sorting. We sorting our filtered images. Okay, you see here the in our Landsat 9 data set, more than 5 lakhs of images are available. Okay, from these images, then we filter our specific study area, filter our specific time frame, and we also, if you want, you can use filter metadata function. And now we use the another filtering function, sort function. Okay, sort function means sorting image ascendingly or descendingly. Okay, so now you see here the sort. What is sort? Sorting by cloud cover. That means less cloud images show fast, and high amount of cloud images show later. Okay, so wait a minute. So now we this simply copy this image properties name is cloud cover. So now you see here. Okay, now simply copy and paste here sort function. Now click to the run. Okay, so now you see here the how many images available in here. So you see here the between this time frame, 1 year time frame, and our study area, we see find here or total 37 images. Now if you want to see this images ID and all of the information of the image, just to use here the pin function, and all these our um, this filtered variable name image. So now click to the run, and also you see here the total 37 images print here specifically. You see here the element, total element 37 element, and also every images have available band number is 17 bands. So now you see the list of the band and also list of the elements. Now we expand this feature, and also you see here the ascending, this sort function ascendingly you easily see total number of cloud cover history. Now you see the object, that means image properties list. You see this first images is very good, very less amount of haze or clouds. That means you see here the 0.03%. Okay, and also if you want to see the second one, and also you see here the image property 0.04. Okay, that means when increase number of item or number of these images and increase this cloud number. Okay, now you see here image properties name is 22. You see here that this cloud to cover history is 35%. Okay, and also if you want to use here the false function or true function, false function, now we simply copy, use copy. Okay, now click to the run. Also you see here the total this number of images, the 37 images available at the same things. Okay, you see here the when you false function is instead of the ascending, you see here the descending. Okay, descending way. Or also if you want to use the true function. Okay, true. Wait a minute. That means only this you see here the true function. You see here that this image is image properties name is 0.3. That means when you use the true operator, ascendingly less amount of cloud images show here ascendingly. Okay, and also if you want to select the false function, use a false function, automatically you see here the descendingly. That means high amount of haze or cloud images show fast. Okay, and also if you want to last see the last one you see here the less amount of cloud history. Okay, this is the cloud over is 0.033. And if you want to you did not use this, automatically it's calculate or sequence as a ascending. Okay, so now click the run. You see here the ascendingly this images less amount to haze to less high amount of haze. Okay, now you see here that this image is very good for our analysis in our specific study area. You see here that the first images history is all of the 17 band available here. Wait a minute. Sorry. And also you see here first images all of the history. Okay, image properties you see here that for cloud over is 0.0. That means this image is low amount of haze particle or cloud particle. And also you see here the image ID. Image ID. This images is capture date year of 2022, 13 January. Okay, 30 January. Okay, okay. So if you want, you can use only this image ID here instead of this total Landsat 9 this one. If you want, you can use only this image ID. Okay, only this image ID and filter this only one images. Okay, so it's another way for select your specific required images. Okay, so now you see here, this is another sort function. Okay, sorting function for a specific selection of our uh, cloud history of these images. Okay, now if you want, you can use also true function. Okay, that means, okay, so if you have any question, ask me, anyone, no problem. Response please.
You say that we can select one images to see its feature, right? So like why we select one image from the number of images?
Okay, so suppose, yeah, if you want only single image specifically for your study area. Okay, so if you want, just you select this ID and make analysis with only single images. Okay, to fast good images selection. Okay, so this is the one way. And also if you want to see use the fast function, that means fast. Okay, so fast function indicate the ascendingly less amount of cloud images automatically filter is this fast function. Now click to the run. You see here the only one images. Okay, only one images you see show here. This image properties is cloud over is 0.03 percentage. Now we make our analysis. This is the one way of filtering. Okay, already we learned in our second number of lecture. This one is new one. Okay, okay. So now suppose we make our analysis with NDVI, NDWI, or NDBI. Okay, suppose we want to make our analysis with NDBI in this time. NDVI. Okay, so NDVI formula is near infrared band minus red band. Okay, near infrared band minus red band divided by near infrared band plus red band. Okay, so this is our NDVI equation. That means when we construct this equation, near infrared band minus red band divided by near infrared band plus red band, this is automatically make our this analysis for NDVI. Okay, so now we learn it. So, okay, so we take a variable and name is, we take a variable and variable name is we put here the so suppose red band. Okay, red band, or first of all we put here the near infrared band for better understanding. NIR, near infrared band. So okay, so in this time you see here the for our make our NDVI analysis we need must be need two band NDVI sorry NIR band and red band. Okay, so that's why we call our, we take a variable name NIR and also call our this filtered images. This filtered image variable name is IMG and also use the select function. We should put at the select function, and this NIR band is stored in this data set. NIR band is stored in the variable name is band name is B5. That means in Landsat 9, near infrared band indicate the B5. That means band 5. Simply copy this band 5 variable name and we select put here B5. And also we need we required band is red band, RED, red band. This we put here this variable name. Also same call this filtering images. Yeah, image variable name is img, and also you say the same thing select function and also select our specific this band. So this band, a red band is stored in the variable name B4 in this time. You see here the in Landsat 9 dataset. B4 stored in the variable name is red band. Okay, so now simply copy and paste here. Sorry, we copy B4, simply copy and paste here. Wait a minute. So now already we attached this band 5 and band 4 in our, we attached only this band. Okay, we attached in our filtered images. Okay, so now we construct our NDVI equation. So we take another variable, and variable is NDVI. Okay, so NDVI, and this NDVI equation. What is our NDVI equation? Equation is near infrared band subtract with red band divided by near-infrared band addition with red band. That means this band B5 is stored in the variable name is NIR, and B4, that means this red band is stored in the variable name is RAD. Okay, right? So now we put here the suppose B5, that means NIR. B5 call the NIR B5 subtract, which is subtract function for understanding for Earth engine server. We subtract with red band, that is B4 band is stored in the variable name is RED. Simply copy and paste. Already this first part already we put here. Okay, NIR band minus red band, that means NIR band subtract with red band. Now we use the this equation, we put here the divide function. Okay, divide, and then we construct our rest part NIR band addition with red band. That means NIR band indicate the NIR band addition with add function addition with red band. Simply copy and paste here. Okay, already we developed our NDVI formula. Okay, this is the one way. Okay, so if you want, you can use divided this part step by as a new learner. Suppose if you want, also you can use here to suppose take a variable variable name is first part. Okay, first part, and also you see here this one, simply copy and paste here. Suppose we this line we make a active line, and then also we put here suppose take a variable name is second part. Okay, second part. Now we call equation. Our second part is NIR band plus update band. Already I develop here. Suppose we put here the NIR, just simply copy and paste here, and we instead of subtract we use the addition function. Add function, addition. That means NIR addition with red band. Already we this first part we develop here, and second part we develop here. And first of all, suppose finally we take a variable name is NDVI. Okay, NDVI, and we suppose the first part we simply use the first part and use the divide function which second part. Simply copy and paste here this second part. Okay, wait a minute, what is the problem? Okay, suppose we use the first. Okay, first and second. Okay, so this is the one way. Okay, as a new learner, step by step you develop. First of all, you put here the first part, then you put here the second part, and also you use this function. Suppose this first part divided by second part. Okay, so this is the one way, and this is our another way. If you want, you can use directly. Okay, directly you put your equation. So this is the first way, and also this is our second way. If you want, you can use anything. Anyone, if you want, you can choose. Okay, so I skip this one. So I equation near infrared band minus red band d divided by near infrared band plus red band. Okay, so now we suppose we use the map.add layer function. map.add layer function, map.add layer function, and make this layer in our code. Map interactive view. Suppose copy this. Already we develop our NDWI equation and put this variable name is NDVI. Now simply copy and paste it, and not necessary thing this time, simply no problem. I will click the run, and now you see here the our study area NDVI, these tiles you see here. Or if you want, you can use, suppose for these tiles, just for example, we suppose we remove this do a rectangle shape, and also just add a marker to add a marker. This one we use for our study area, for just for example. Okay, so now we put here. Now you see here the suppose ROI or area of interest. If you want, you can use any variable name, no problem. Okay, area of interest we put it. Now click the run. Okay, area of interest, that means AOI. Now click the run. Okay, so now you see here the this area of interest NDVI of this band tiles. Okay, of this one image tiles. They also already we learned about these images. This image is captured. Suppose we use the rename function. Rename function. Suppose rename as a, suppose same band name we use the suppose NDVI. This band name show in our layer. Now click the run. So now you see here that this band name is, okay, when you click the open layer, now we see here that this band name NDVI. Okay, and also if you want to, suppose if you want to see the palette of this value, suppose this low value show as a, suppose this type of blue color, and okay, and also this type of moderate value show as a yellow color, and also suppose we want to see the high value of NDVI show as a green color. Okay, now apply it. Okay, now you see here that this area NDVI. You can now, if you want to import it in your code editor, just click on this import, and this visual NDVI this param you fixed in your layer. Suppose copy this layer, and also if see here the NDVI. Suppose this small NDVI map layer name is put here in our layer. So now you see here this area NDVI. Okay, area NDVI, this study this blue color indicate the water body. You see here the blue color indicate the water body, and vegetation area less vegetation area indicate the yellow color, and high vegetation indicate this type of green color, or this type of color. If you want to check in your instructor tab, just you click on this you click on this blue color. You see here that this NDVI value is 0.0. That means this negative, almost negative value show as a for this tiles. And if you want to click on this, you see here the NDVI is negative. That means this area indicate the water body. And also if you want to check in our this type of green color, you see here the NDVI is 0.68. That means in this area, this is a high dense vegetation area. And also if you want to click on this area, you see here the 0.6. Also if you want to see, click on this type of green shadow color and mixing with yellow, you see here the 0.48. That means moderate NDVI area. So if this is the one way, okay, this is the one way. As for example, if you want, also you can use this Sentinel dataset. Okay, also you can use easily use this Sentinel dataset, and also you make your analysis. When you want to use this Sentinel dataset, wait a minute, you must be, suppose we use the Sentinel-2 dataset, multi-spectral instrument dataset. When you want to use this dataset, surface reflection, top atmospheric reflectance, for better understanding, I simply we put that. You see here the we need for when you want to make your analysis with NDVI, you need near infrared band minus near infrared band and red band, and then you construct your equation. You see here the in Sentinel-2 dataset, near infrared band stored in the variable name is band 8, and also red band indicate the band 4. That means when you want to use this Sentinel-2 data set S2, that means Sentinel-2, you see here this B5. That means instead of B5, you use here the B8. That means in Sentinel 2 data set, B8 indicate the near infrared band. And also same things, S2, when you use the S2, red band indicate the same thing. Red band indicate the B4. Okay, red band is same, that means B4.